Hey everybody, so I wanted to formally do a video to explain what's going on with Chen, give updates, and just explain more of the process and what's going on with everything dealing with Chen Naturals. So as you all know, Chen Naturals launched in June and it has pretty much been non-stop since June. When I initially launched Chen, I think I knew what I wanted Chen to be, but I did not expect for Chen to become that in 3 months, if that makes sense. Like, I wanted it to be a brand that just blessed people the way, the way my at-home skin stuff blessed me. I wanted to give that to people. And as you all know from my original video, like, I was in prayer and I asked my friends and they were all like, go for it, go for it. So I went for it and it has been amazing. It's been an amazing journey, an amazing ride, all of that. So thankful. But we are getting to a point where I don't know, like, word of mouth is spreading. People are using the products, they're loving the products, and it's selling. Like, I cannot keep my products on the shelf. When I decided to launch in June, I had no idea that Chen Naturals skincare would turn into what Chen Naturals beauty salon is. And what I mean when I say that is, everybody who knows me knows. If you don't know me, I do hair full-time for a living, like full-time, like Tuesday through Saturday, all day hours. I do hair full-time for a living. It doesn't stop. Chen Naturals has become another full-time job. Did not expect that to happen in 3 months, 3 or 4 months. I did not. I just didn't. Not that I felt like God wasn't able to bless my brand. I knew that I was going to give you all everything I had in me and make products that were effective and that worked, and I wasn't going to half-ass with anything. I knew that, but I did not expect it to become what it has become so fast. And I'm making this video today just to put a human face to the product that everybody has fallen in love with and is ordering like crazy. I know my production times. I know a lot of times when people are online shopping, they're just kind of clicking to what they want. It might be a link that they saw somewhere, or someone may have told them about a product that they use, and so they go directly to there and they order, and they don't really read the facts page of the website. But my processing times are the way they are for a reason. As you all know, it's just team me. I call myself a micro business. I can't even consider myself a small business because I don't even have another person. You know what I'm saying? Like, every single aspect, like everything that a machine can do in a warehouse or a factory, I'm doing it by myself, by hand, which means my processing times are longer than a big corporation or Amazon, or like Sephora, Bath and Body Works. I don't have a warehouse where this stuff is stored. I don't even have a building. Like, everything is my apartment has become a warehouse basically, and it can only hold so much. So, and the nature of my product too, I don't use chemicals in my products, and I don't use anything but like plant derived organic preservatives. So when someone places an order, I want that order to be as fresh as possible so it can last for the shelf life that it can last for that client, and it's not something that just sat on a shelf for months and months and months and I'm filling the order with it. So basically, like, once you place an order, I get the order. Bottles are constantly being sanitized because the orders are constantly coming in, but sanitation is a 2 to 3 day process. Every bottle has to be sanitized and it has to be completely air dried before it can be filled. That's a 2 to 3 day process in itself. So processing times reflect, sanitation, me actually physically making the product, because I don't have a warehouse or anything helping me with that. Me physically making the product, filling the bottle, labeling the bottle, packaging the bottle, and then, you know, either getting it to the pickup location or getting it to the post office. And I don't know if you all have had to deal with the post office, but the post office is no joke right now. And because of the weight of my products, because they fluctuate so much, I can't really like pre-package and just throw them, you know, into like a bin at a post office. I have to stand in line. They have to weigh every product, etc., etc. All of my shipping is usually 2-day shipping. So it's a process. Like, it is a process. And I know people don't care or understand, but I just want to tell you from my mouth that it's a process. And I'm going as fast as I can with products. So right now, the store is temporarily closed. And it's only so I can catch up with the orders that are in. Like, the September sale has been going crazy. And I appreciate you all. And I am always trying to fill and get orders to the post office as fast as possible. But I had to temporarily close the store just so I can catch up. And I know there's other like small businesses similar to mine. And I used to always see them, you know, having to close their store, I'm like, why do they keep having to close their store? Now I completely understand why they have to close their store. It is not easy. And on top of that, I still work full-time doing hair. There's only 24 hours in a day. I probably am doing something work-related, 17 to 18 hours a day. And I still have a kid that's in school that needs help with homework. And I still have to sleep. I have to find time to eat, you know, exist while running both of these businesses. So when you pray to God for overflow in something, be prepared for that. I was prepared. I knew what God could do for my businesses, but I did not know it would happen so fast. So be prepared for overflow when you pray for overflow. And when you're like pure-hearted, putting everything you have into what you're doing. And I can't slack on either end. Like with hair, I can't slack because it's people's hair. With my skincare line, I can't slack because it's people's skin. Like, those are like the two most important things that people have, our hair and our skin. So I give it my all, and it takes me a little bit longer than if I was a larger corporation. And I just wanted to put a human face to the website, because I know a lot of times too with online shopping, we just automatically assume that when we press click, you know, but that it's just going to be like instant. We kind of live in a society where everything is instant. Microwaving food, fast food. You go to a restaurant, if you have to wait more than 10 minutes for your food, you're losing it. You know what I'm saying? But everything is a process. Everything is not instant. And organic skincare is not instant, especially when it's one owner and operator. It's not instant. And I am working as much as it's humanly possible for me to work to get the orders out. And I thank everybody for their patience. Like, I thank you so much. And nobody really bothers me at all about, you know, like processing times, really. Because for the most part, people understand. Nobody really bothers me. But, you know, this is just for everyone, because it's gone way outside of my local city as well. Like, I'm shipping all over the United States. I can't even believe that. But yeah, I'm shipping all over the United States. And so the bigger it gets, I know, you know, I have to be more vocal. And then sometimes in my mind, I'm working. I'm like, well, they know, they understand. But a lot of people don't know and they don't understand. So it's important for me to keep you all updated. And I'm going to do my best. I'm working on something with my website where it sends out email updates as well. It's so much that I'm doing, but just know I want to give you all an update of what's going on. If you place the order, that order is going to get fulfilled. It gets fulfilled in the order that I receive it, and I'm working on those. I posted the facts website on our Instagram, which is at Chen Naturals, and our Facebook, which is Chen Naturals. So I'm trying my best to keep you all updated as much as possible. I thank you all for your business. I have new products coming out still. I still have 2 new products coming out this month. So the store will be back open, but I'm just catching up. while still working full-time with hair. Okay, y'all pray for me a building, pray for me a team. I need a hair assistant, I need a chin assistant, and like 2 extra hands. Like, I need a team and a building. So y'all keep me in your prayers, please. And thank you so much for everything. We love you, and we wouldn't be where we are. I'm saying we because I speak about Chen like it's its own separate entity from me. So when I say we, it's me and Chen. It's not me and somebody else. It's me and Chen. We appreciate you and everything, and we promise to be consistent and give you our best with these products. And we just thank you for your patience. And that's just the update for today. And